At the same time, the Orange Democratic Movement, ODM, faction led by embattled Secretary General Edwin Sifuna, Deputy Leader Godfrey Osotsi, Siaya Governor James Orengo, and Embakasi East Member of Parliament Babu Owino, has vowed that the party will not be quote-unquote sold for personal gain.
Speaking at a rally in Busia, the leaders promised nationwide protests against President William Ruto, accusing his government of mismanaging critical sectors such as education, health and security.
Now, they also insisted that ODM will field a presidential candidate in 2027 general election. And we get more. Once again, my very own Seth Olale.
The Linda Mwananchi Brigade held its second grassroots rally in Busia County after its debut in Kawangware, Nairobi County, a fortnight ago. The leaders, including Secretary General Edwin Sifuna, Deputy Party Leader Godfrey Osotsi, Siaya Governor James Orengo, Embakasi East MP Babu Owino, and a host of other leaders, declared that the Orange Party will not be traded away for political convenience, vowing to defend its principles and champion the people's interest.
Sisi sio watoto. Sisi sio washenzi. Sisi tutadili na nyinyi. Hata leo hii mkiamua mtufukuze, tuko tayari kurudi by election. Lakini penye baba aliwachia chama, lazima tuendeleze wapi?
Hatutatishwa na mtu yoyote. Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga hakulea watu waoga. Na baba alikuwa anatuambia kila siku, Sifuna, chunga maslahi ya mwananchi, kwa sababu hiyo ndio kazi yetu.
The Linda Mwananchi team rejecting resolutions by the ODM party's Central Committee to initiate pre-2027 election talks between ODM and UDA.
Nyinyi mnataka kwenda ndoa na UDA? Tunasema tawe. UDA tawe.
Chama cha ODM haiwezi kuingia kwa UDA. Kamwe. Wangapi Busia wamesema hawatawe.
The leaders insisting that the Orange Party will field a presidential candidate to challenge President William Ruto's second-term bid.
Tunataka tuambie wazee wote 2027 achia uwanja, vijana wachukue ushukani. Vijana mko tayari?
The Orange Democratic Movement party leaders, who earlier in the day held rallies in Ugunja, vowed to stage nationwide demonstrations against President William Ruto's alleged mismanagement of critical sectors including education, health and security.
Maandamano mzuri mbaya. Nione kwa mkono wale wanasema tutaenda maandamano.
Seth Olale, Citizen TV.